Hello folks, hope you are doing fine today. Today we're gonna look what's inside this Bluetooth device here. So let's tear it apart, and there was this thing, a small antenna was here, but I think it didn't found any functionality here. It was just a thing to showcase that the functions of so this is a Bluetooth device basically used for connectivity of different to connect to different devices, basically for Bluetooth. So as you can see folks, there is no such huge thing inside this, just a combination of capacitors and resistors here, which are responsible to connect different devices. So this device is plugged into a computer, and then it is Bluetooth functionality is turned on, and this thing performs the functions of the Bluetooth. So as you can see folks, there is this silicon board, and upon it the different transistors and capacitors are inserted. Just a small memory here, which is coated on carbon for cool to keep this thing cool. So not that much different thing folks. So let's patch this thing up. As you can see folks, so not that much things are involved here. So there you go, all patched up. So thank you folks, hope you like the video. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Everywhere's nice.